Yo, just a spontaneous stream from a low budget hotel room. I hope my setup is working. I didn't really put a lot of effort into it. I just checked if the mic is working, and I guess we are live. Um, Definitely not planned. Sorry, that was kind of loud. Definitely not planned stream. Just something spontaneous. I just wanted to work on some projects, um, some maintenance tasks to be specific, and wanted to stream that. So yeah, I don't have multiple monitors. I mean, obviously, so it's kind of hard to track what's going on the stream. But I guess nothing is going on. Am I being okay? I'm safe. I thought I heard something there, but we are live from uh, location undisclosed, and we're gonna do some stuff basically. And this is gonna be an interesting stream. I'm just gonna check if the audio is good. Hold on. This is gonna be an interesting stream. I'm just gonna check if the audio is good. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Audio is good, and no one is actually in the stream right now, which is pretty normal. We're gonna see. I'm gonna put my phone right there. I'm actually gonna mute the song a little bit. Okay. So yeah, let's jump right into it. And as always, say hi in the chat if you're around. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'm always happy to be interrupted. Hey yo, what's up? We are live again. Trans Z Storic. What's up, man? How's it going? I feel very weird. Streaming from a hotel room, like what am I doing, right? I don't know. And you know the answer, but guess the country from this bottle. Which country I'm in right now. I'm not gonna give any more clues. It was so simple. You already know. Alright, so guys, I don't have, like I said, I don't have a lot of a setup going on right now, so we gotta keep it simple, you know. I literally have a banana right next to my laptop and stuff like that. Yugoslavia, yeah. You know how it goes. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it simple. We're gonna just stream just one terminal. We don't have I cannot stream my whole thing right now. So all you gotta see in the stream is gonna be this thing. And yeah, you guessed it right. We're gonna work on Gitcliff stuff. So you know what? I'm gonna dive right into it. So what are we doing? There is one issue that I want to take a look at. Hold on. And it's this issue. Cannot install Gitcliff and ref action in self-hosted runners. Okay, let's run GitHub issue view and 33. Okay, that's it's not showing all the comments there actually. How can I show all of them? Okay, C argument will be. Okay, how can I scroll this less? Okay, there's no styling in that. Maybe there's a pager argument somewhere. Put up pager or something. Okay, hold on, let me just search for it real quick. CLI pager. There's no major argument, like what? I'm kind of disappointed in GitHub CLI right now. Alright, so maybe I need to set it explicitly. I just want to... Okay, that worked. Cool. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna just read the issue real quick. This issue is about basically, now that I am downloading the binary and running that in CI and use no like Docker action, I need to pass the GitHub token to the script for avoiding rate limits, because I'm, like I said, I'm downloading the binary, and you can actually see it here. It's the release URL, and in the curl command right here, I'm using some headers and pass the GitHub secret, GitHub token, and this guy simply says I use Git and I get the like an error response if I use this variable. So we talked about it, and I guess we decided to disable the header, and yeah. Yeah, actually no, we decided to not disable the token, but basically check if the environment variable exists, and if it exists, pass it to curl instead of doing that as default, because I guess when you don't have the environment variable and if you try to like pass it to the curl, it fails. So now I guess we will just gonna check the existence of it, and if exists, we're gonna pass the curl. But let's see. And then this guy Monster, shout out to him. He's been really helping out with the Gitcliff action, and he actually like probably pushed it on this branch. And would it be possible to supply the token via? Okay. So this guy says, I need to use the token, but not that token, another token. How can I do that? Let's see. There's a new input variable GitHub token. You can pass an empty value to disable the authorization header or provide your own token. Okay. No, this is someone else actually. Okay. I realized there's another guy. This guy, someone else actually requested the feature. Okay. Can confirm it works. Yeah, on Git works too. Okay, so there's one PR. The PR is PRLS. Fix set bearer token in curl request when GitHub token is set. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna check contents. Okay, that failed because I guess I already had that branch. Okay, I need to delete that branch. That's why you need to actually check out your new branch when you want to contribute to a new repo, because if you have like main and if you just push stuff on main, at some point there might be some conflicts, or just when you use the same branch name, it clashes. So yeah, just don't use main and switch to a new branch and use that when submitting PRs. Otherwise, I just hit an issue and I had to delete the main branch of that fork. Stuff like that. So you gotta be careful. Alright, now we switch to that. Let's see the logs. So fix set bearer token, dedicated input variable, and use GitHub token inputs. Okay, let's take a look. I'm gonna actually, can we use Seri for this? Seri. Okay. It's actually not showing the diff. I want to see the diff. Is this just for commit graph? I guess so. So what else can I use? LazyGit? I don't have LazyGit. Maybe I can just install it real quick. Let's see. LazyGit. Alright, you're updating a new version. I didn't have the LazyGit installed, whatever. Okay, so I don't know how to use LazyGit. Let's see. How can I go in? I wanna actually, okay, commits. Okay, we can actually see the diff, but can I scroll the diff? Okay, I can just use the mouse or just mouse scrolling. Anyways, set bearer token in curl request when GitHub token is set. All right, so what has changed here? Let's see. So release info just fetches that. If it's alright, so if there's no token, it does not use it, and if there's a token, it uses it. Okay, that makes sense. And I guess this diff is about that. And what is this? Use a dedicated input variable to pass GitHub token. So we added a new input, the GitHub API token used to get GitHub information, and the default is GitHub. What? GitHub token. I'm not sure if this is correct because. Hold on. Okay, I am not really sure about this. If you run the action in Git or GitHub Enterprise, okay, is this a default variable? Phone writer. Hello, welcome to the stream. Is this a default one actually? I'm not sure. GitHub token. Okay, I'm gonna search for it. Token environment variable. Do we get it from outside somewhere? Okay, GitHub API token. I'm not sure about the value of this. That's why I'm concerned. GitHub underscore token. Okay, I'm gonna actually quit this. I'm gonna check. You know what? Let's use Zelish, shall we? Okay, now we have a. I'm gonna go to a new tab. I don't know how to use Zelish as well. I'm just trying out new tools in the stream. We don't care. Okay, so that's how I create a new tab. Alright, that's actually easy. Alright, while I'm at it, let me check okay, mic is good, everything's good. LazyGit, and I'm gonna. Is it loading something? Okay, no. Right, this is kind of good. On the second tab, I'm gonna open up my editor. I'm gonna gonna go to I'm gonna search for GitHub token. GitHub token. Actually, this is regex, so gotta use this one. Okay, is this like a default value? So GitHub token. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna create a new tab. I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna search for usages of this GitHub token. I'm gonna try to find. Oops, okay, that's a default value. Okay, this is being used in other stuff, so I guess that's fine to have. Yeah, a bunch of stuff is using it. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna see the rest of this PR now. So it sets the bearer. Thingy. Alright, so this one is also fine. I'm not sure about the readme though, maybe. It should be fine. And the last one is actually fixing a bug which was introduced in here, GitHub API token. Alright, this looks good to go to me. I'm gonna actually go here again. I'm not really used to using Zellige, that's why I'm. Oh, did I just exit the session? How do I attach again? Attach adamant pepper. That's the name of the session. Okay, we back. We're so back. I got some notifications. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna just approve the PR. I mean, it looks good. We just use GitHub token there. It's not required. And if we go to the actual action, install H. GitHub API token is there. Session is disabled. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. Looks fairly fine to me. So gonna just approve this actually. Let's approve it. I can do it from command line, but gotta see the thing one more time. Wow, Terry Davis reincarnated. Hell yeah. Hoodwinked the dawn. I haven't heard a cooler name before, so shout out to you, Hoodwinked the dawn. Soon I'm gonna do like more Terry Davis stuff. I'm just gonna dance and like play the drums or something. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Just just wait for those content. Alright, so you see nothing on the screen, which is kind of unfortunate. Sorry for that. But when I go to the browser, it actually disappears. So maybe it is better if you just watch me while I'm doing this, instead of watching a blank screen. So one more time, I'm gonna show you the bottle. This is my location. I'm doxing myself right now. Does it say milk? No, mold. I don't like this, by the way. I bought it, but it's just sugary water. Like, to be honest, I don't know. I like the what was the name of this animal again? I don't know. As always, we are dripping, guys. We are dripping. We got the H stands for Hacktober. Although I don't attend the Oktoberfest anymore. Ever since they canceled the t-shirts, there's no point, right? Is there a point? DigitalOcean, if you're watching this, or GitHub, I don't know who's running the event these days. If you're watching this, sorry guys. No more Hacktoberfest labels, no more typos in PRs. So, no, sorry, typos in readmes, fixing those things. Sorry. So I'm gonna just quickly review this. GitHub API token thingy. Well, let's see. The GitHub API token used to get Cliff. Yeah, I mean, there are just a couple of nitpicks here and there, but I can simply... What about the trees? I mean, yeah, I guess that's important too, but what about the T's, you know? Sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna just you know what, I can probably just share at least this part of... No, I'm not gonna share it, so you can still watch me do this. Alright, so I'm going to review it real quick. Actually, let me see the file as rendered. I don't know if wait, I can probably do something like this instead so that you will see my screen too. Hold on, we about to share, there we go. It's light team. Sorry, I'm gonna change it. I'm really sorry. Okay, back to the black, dark. Selam. We are back to the dark theme, and I'm gonna increase the font size. Okay, good. So you see this thing. If you run the action in Git or GitHub Enterprise, the GitHub token was invalid. You have two options: pass an empty value. I'm gonna actually nitpick the shit out of this just for fun, but don't worry, I won't do like request changes or anything. I'm just gonna apply those changes myself. So I'm not trying to be a jerk today, not today, because you know I'm just in very poor situation. Like I'm in a hotel room doing a stream, so I don't have any luxury to be a jerk today. Well, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Alright, so gonna nitpick. I cannot even speak. Gonna nitpick the shit out of this. Hold on. Create a GitHub token and pass it through GitHub secrets to... Okay, this is actually fine. There's nothing to nitpick. GitHub API token should be fine. Git jerk would be a hilarious project. Hell yeah. Hello, James. JMSDNNS. James. I'm not sure. Tell me your name. Yeah, git jerk. You're really gonna commit that? Actually, Git, like the fun Git projects would be amazing stuff to work on. James Dennis. Nice to meet you again. How's it going? Long time no see, man. 2 days, 3 days, I don't know. 4 days. Alright, why am I stalling? I need to finish this. Alright, so GitHub token. Alright, let's, looks good to me. Thanks a lot for the fix. Approve. And then I'm gonna commit my own suggestions, cause why not? Okay. All right. Gonna go to commits, and I wanna actually change the your title. It's going well. I watch when I can, and I'm grateful for all the time you put in. No worries, man. I'm just having fun, to be honest, and trying to get some stuff done. But I'm happy to hear that you're around and enjoying the content. I mean, I'm literally in a hotel room doing this next to a banana. Like, look at this. Like, you know, you cannot really expect much, you know, just doing my best. But yeah, let's finish this up. Fix action, set pair token when it exists, or maybe it's a feat. I'm not sure about the scope of this PR, to be honest. Did Primeagen respond? So for those who don't know, I tweeted this yesterday. Where is it? Yeah, this. No, it's not yesterday actually. So Primeagen mentioned Ratatouille in one of his streams, and I saw that as an opportunity to talk about it in his stream, like be a guest, pretty much. So I tweeted out this thing to him. He actually liked the tweet. I know that he saw it, but he didn't actually like reach out, or he didn't say anything about it. So no, not really. He didn't respond. I mean, he responded with a like, if that counts, you know. But not like personally. He didn't reach out or like say anything. I was expecting a DM. Like, you can see he liked the tweet, but you know, Parmesan is better. Hell yeah, man. Thanks a lot for the support. Parmesan. That sounds like a drug, to be honest. Like some pharmacy Parmesan. It's a weird word. Maybe I should rename my channel. Yeah, or a cheese. Yeah, Parmesan. What was it? That was one cheese that is very close to that. What was it? God damn it. Pharmacology. My last name actually means fingerless. So no fingers. You can just throw some jokes in the chat. It's at my expense. Okay, so what am I doing? Fix action, set bearer token when it exists. It's actually like, there's actually more than that.
So he goes up in this big spaceship, and he's got this portal window.
I'm gonna use feet here. Allow configuring the bearer token. Curly fingers, more like organ fingers. Yeah, I mean. I I had a company at some point registered under my name, and the company was called Fingerless Company, just as like an official entity in Turkey, like Fingerless Company. You can just look up the records, just simply that. So I made the biggest joke about my last name. We literally had like the logo and like everything and like office space. You could just go there and there's like a banner there which says Fingerless Company. Tired, serverless, wired, fingerless. Hell yeah. Like that's my slogan. So many jokes. I'm gonna actually change the title. Okay, what can I say in the title? My brain is not working. Feed action allocating in a bearer token and set it when it exists. Okay, that's good. It's kind of too long, but it works. Yeah, obscure jokes are the best. Actually, we should have like some inner jokes in these live streams that only the real OGs will understand. Like only the people who like regularly watch me will understand, and nobody will get it. Like just us guys. Think about it. We could be friends, At last we can be friends. I don't know why I'm looking there while I'm talking. My phone is there, I'm looking at the chat. So I'm looking at you, just don't get me wrong, okay? The camera is here, but I'm looking at you. So that's how it is. I'm gonna merge the shit out of this PR now. And this will close the issue actually. I wanna leave something in the issue. Leave a nice comment on the issue, guys. When you do something, and if it's like a social thing, make sure to give thumbs up. Giving thumbs up to people at this point, okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay, thanks a lot. Why you're in a hotel conference? There is a summit, and that's why I travel this week. So yeah, I'm in a hotel because of that basically. And right now the other guys are just having fun in a bar probably, but right now I'm grinding, man. You know how it is. The grind never ends. It never ends. So we gotta make sure to put the effort in and pretty much make nothing because it's open source. But whatever. Got a ball because of work. We'll catch up after or see you in another stream soon. Take care, James. See you in another stream. We will catch up for sure. So yeah, adios. Take care. Bye. True false grind set. Hell yeah. You're real guy. Do you even drink? I mean, no. Drink water. There's one water bottle behind me. Wait, I can see my camera right now. I'm gonna point it out. Somewhere in here, which I drink. Yeah, but normally no. Like I drink, but I don't drink alcohol. That shit makes me stupid, to be honest. So I cannot really put the grind, like put the effort in and grind the shit out of these PRs if I drink. The issue is closed. Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot, everyone. Release coming out soon. Rocket and no, Rocket, not Rock. I didn't say Dwayne Johnson anywhere. Okay, Rock Mountain. Have a partner and then traveling will be fun. I don't think so. Actually, I like traveling alone. That's how I roll usually. If I'm with someone, I'm like not super comfortable, to be honest. Maybe I'm just a nerd, just a little nerdy. I don't know. You tell me. Maybe it's better, but I mean, I don't know. I'm a virgin, guys. I'm a virgin. I'm gonna tell it to your face straight. I'm a virgin. I'm sorry. Maybe maybe you had hopes about me. Maybe you would think that I'm cool, but no more. I'm just a virgin working on freaking automation tools. Not even drinking. Not even doing anything. You know. Sorry, guys. Alright, now we merged this. Let's take a look at the issue. Other issue, I mean. Not working when running inside a container. Yeah, unfortunately GitHub has a bug. Okay, what the hell is this? What do you mean GitHub has a bug? GitHub action pad contains wrong pad when used inside a container. Okay, do we even use this? So up for grabs then. You sneaky little snake. Alright, so I'm thinking if I should use Zelish. Yeah, but I guess I'll use it. But the thing is, it kind of like conflicts with my key bindings, so I cannot really use it effectively. So I'm gonna just exit here. I'm gonna exit here too. I'm gonna exit here to go back to my terminal. What am I sharing right now? Actually, I'm not even sharing my terminal. Such a noob move, man. I gotta share my terminal. Okay, now we're back. Main. Let's see, main. Okay, again, I should pull this. What was the thing? Action pad. Action pad. There's no such thing as. Okay, we use it. Okay, in Action YOML, we use the action pad. We run the install sh. So, what was the issue again with this? Let me. Which? Okay. Okay, so you get an error that install sh couldn't be found. Alright, what is suggested here? Okay, for let's say you create a custom action with a script called runsh and residing in the root of the action. That will get it to work if you're running a container. Okay, so this is what is suggested here. Okay, and it's actually been applied by some other people, which makes me kind of believe that it should be fine. Okay, let's see if yeah, let me just change it to the suggested way of handling this, and it should be fine. I'm gonna check out some other PRs and so on. GitHub action pad. Okay. You can run GitHub actions inside of a Docker container. There's a built-in feature to do that in GitHub, where you specify the image and it will run all your commands in the container. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess all we need to do is just switch to the environment variable and it should be fine, right? So if I do this, Where's my terminal actually? Okay. So if I just use the environments variable like this, should be fine. Yeah. Confirmation. Because this is just set as default as well, I assume. Yeah. I mean, as long as this builds fine, I'm gonna just go with it. What was suggested here again? Let me see it. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this actually. Okay, GitHub action path. Action path. All right. Do we use it anywhere else? No, just in two places. Okay, I'm gonna switch to new branch. Fix use GitHub action path and I'm gonna fix action use GitHub action path and use environment. Why am I talking while I'm typing? What will you do on 1000 subs? If when I reach 1000 subs, I will create a NeoVim plugin that will count all of my mistakes while I write code. For example, if I use Rust, I will count all the failures on Rust Analyzer. So if I make a mistake, it will just gonna increment some counter, and I will do a 1 hour stream, and in that stream I will write Rust, and at the end of the stream I'm gonna do, like, if I make like 10 mistakes, so if the counter is 10, I'm gonna do 10 push-ups at the end of the stream. If it's like 1000, I'm gonna do 1000 push-ups and I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna just gonna do it on the camera. So it's gonna be just 1 hour. I'm gonna write something and I'm gonna do push-ups at the end. So yeah, it's gonna be intense, but it's a good workout, you know. So that's my idea. What do you think about it? Mistake number 1, use Rust. I agree with that. That's the mistake of my life. Now I'm like I mean, I'm like a heroin addict or some drug addict at this point. Like, Rust is problematic, man. It's destroying my life. Okay, what was the issue number? 35. This is 35, okay. Submit. Let's see. Alright. Thanks for reporting. Should be fixed. And 36 new will be out soon. With your Rust skills, anyone can give you the offer. Why don't you accept one? Do you mean like a job offer, or what kind of offer do you mean? I mean, of course, I assume that you mean like a job offer or something. Well, it doesn't really work like that. No one just texts me and says that, hey, come work for us. Well, there's some people, but usually Doesn't happen that often. So yeah, nobody gave him an offer he can't refuse yet. Yes, that's true. Hello Marco, welcome to the stream. But you know, Marco actually now he has the connections. I feel like he's like a big like a big name in the industry now, like a Rust industry. So he can actually like hook me out with like a pretty sweet deal, I guess. So Marco, my man, how's it going? You wanna give me an offer, like something that I cannot refuse, or what? Like, what do you say, man? Now that I moved to Sicily, I will my man. Marco was, you know, I remember Marco. He was like a little kid. He was like this height, you know. And then one day he came up to me and said, "Hey, Papa, how can I be rich like you?" And I back in time I was like not super rich, but you know I had like a couple of millions and like sweet cars and shit. And I was like, "Look, Marco, you gotta work hard like me." And now it's the opposite, you know. I'm poor. I'm in a hotel room. I don't know what I'm doing. I have just banana to eat, and the Marco is like in Sicily, enjoying the yacht, enjoying all the good, rich life. You know, one thing that I learned from the story is that you know you never like underestimate the power in these Rust developers, man. It went exactly like this. Also, I had a banana today. Probably like a it has like a golden. It was served in a golden plate, I assume. But you know, at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. We're just grinding out here in the hotel room. I don't know what I'm doing. You're probably like right now. You just in some like a jacuzzi or something, like a jacuzzi. I don't know how to say it. Some people say jacuzzi, but I guess since I'm in Germany, I don't spell the J. I just say Y, E, instead of J. So, you know, Marco, man, you gotta hook me up with some good deals, man. We're really struggling out here. Like it's hard. I made a typo actually. I gotta fix it. Fixes. Fixed. My man. Okay, so I'm gonna merge my own PR. Obama meme. You know, I'm gonna do this. I'm about to do this right now. Let's merge my own PR. First thing, switch to PHP. Alright, I'll trust you, Marco. I really trust you. So we're gonna actually in the stream, we're gonna read the PHP documentation. Let's do this shit. All right, it can't be so bad, right? Let's also read it in English. I'm not gonna exaggerate this a lot. I'm just gonna read it in English. Okay, view online. PHP manual. Fuck yeah, right? Let's see. All right. How do we start? Where's the PHP docs in Italian? Okay, let's fucking do that. Let's actually. Let's go to. Well, this is English. Like, what's the difference? Like, where's the Italian, man? Problemi. Problemi. Okay, I don't want to butcher your language, Marco. Sorry. In Turkish, that would be so easy, dude. Like, I would kill that probably. Probably, as if it's not my mother tongue. Okay, interface e classi predefinite. Let's see. This is pretty much English, like, because the I want to see some text, okay? General consideration. This is English. Where's the translation? Okay, we got it, guys. We got it. È possibile usare la funzione header per inviare un. Okay, that was it. That was it. I'm not gonna continue. That's it for today. That's too much Italian. Let's go to German. German is my shit. So wait, I'm automatically translating it. That's why it's English. Okay. All right, guys. PHP documentation in German. If there are any Germans watching this, I'm sorry in advance. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Like I said, we gotta like. But where is the documentation, man? What the hell? Like, I want to just. Okay, basics, predefined variables. Alright, we got it. Hold on. PHP bietet jedem ausgeführten Skript eine Vielzahl von definierte Variable an. For definierte Variablen. Variablen. I don't know. Alright, actually, Turkish translations over manual pages have been disasters all the time. Let's check Turkish. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cringe, bro. That's super cringe, bro. What the hell? Okay, yeah, you were right. I shouldn't have doubted that. Okay, control structures. I want to learn about goto in PHP. Holy shit, it starts with xkcd. Guys, PHP documentation is not that bad actually. It has memes in it. Come on. Like, in which documentation you have memes? We don't have memes in Rust documentation. Do we have it? Like, do we have xkcd memes? No. PHP even knows that it's so shitty that they try to engage with you with some memes, man. That's some desperate attempts. Come on, PHP. I'll get some likes. I will get some dislikes from PHP developers at this point, but anyways. Facepalm. Do we still have the music playing though? For some reason I got curious about that. It's fine. Poke HP. Okay, PHP goto is like it's super bad syntax. You know what? I hear music. Yes, Marco, I know that you have some built-in super technology that you hear music all the time. I know that you're super rich and you have access to these new things, like new advancements in human body that makes you like a cyborg. You know, we all know that you have. Okay, enough, man. Enough. I mean, I know that I'm poor, but this is kind of too much. Don't you think? You just at this point you're basically saying that, you know, I hear music, you don't. So I don't like this at all. Sorry. Why am I reading the PHP documentation? You kind of you're distracting me. You're actually sabotaging my work. Like, what the hell, Marco? Sorry, man. I don't know why. Am I? Keep doing this. Okay, now we don't have any issues. No pull requests. Super stable shit. Let's create a new release. Let's draft the new release. All right. It should be 410 because I fixed something, added a new thing. Okay, let's see. 410. I'm actually gonna. Okay, do you see my screen? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna copy the changelog for this. Hold on. 410 and keep all, and then I'll be back, guys. I'll be back in a second. I'm just gonna copy the the changelog. Okay. Now I have the changelog thingy. It looks okay. Okay. Let's, I guess, create a release now. Let's go ahead with it. Release thingy. Yeah, let's just YOLO it. Okay, I'm gonna use my password, but I don't want y'all to see my password, so I'm gonna do this. I don't want to get hacked. I'm such an amateur, man. I don't know how to stream. Okay, guys, we have a new release. Let's copy the link, send it to the issue so that everyone will be super happy. Probably. Let's comment on there. Cool. 410 is out now. Okay. Oh, I forgot to add the full changelog link to this. Okay, let's do that real quick. I'm gonna auto-generate this, and I'm gonna just do that and update the release. Okay, so you might be asking, how do I manage the v4 tag? Because now this is the release v402, this is v410, right? Those are different releases, but I actually recommend to use the v4 release in the readme. So v4 is actually a separate tag, and it is right now pointing out to some commit which is like not the latest one. So what I do in this case is simply I go to my terminal first of all. Where's my terminal? Okay, I go to my terminal. I'm gonna fetch the tags. I'm gonna force tag the v4. So this will update the v4 tag to the latest commit. So if you okay, that's kind of okay. That I actually copied the wrong one. Okay, this was the old commit, and now v4 is the latest commit. You know, git tag. How can I actually verify that? I don't know. Okay, there you go. The latest commit is v4. Wait, did I actually like bump the action? Hold on. I didn't, but that's not needed, right? So there's no reason. There's no like version variable, so we don't have to do that. Okay, we are fine. So now v4 is the latest commit, but I cannot push this to main because you know, that's that already exists, so we gotta force that shit basically. Sure, relicense as proprietary. Yeah, that will happen at some point when I get like really burned out. I'm just gonna like relicense everything and gotta you know, get the money and dip. So we're gonna force push this as v4, and now when you check the repo, you can see that on releases, on tags, v4 is actually the same commit. It's actually not the same. What? Oh, what the hell? Hold on. What the hell is going on? Use environment favorable for the action path. Oh, okay, it's the same commit. But for some reason it's showing a different hash. I'm not sure why. You tag the squash commit, not the real one. Maybe? Hold on. How did you realize that? You have some good eyes, man. For real. Oh yeah, I tagged the wrong one. You're right. I need to go to the main, pull it, and then tag it, and then force it again, and now it will be the same. Wait. Now it will be the same. You're right. So yeah, thanks for your support. From your future branch on main. Yeah, you're right. So now it's the same because I was on my future branch and I tagged from there. Nice catch, by the way. Thanks for that. And now it's v4 from main and it has the same commit hash. So all good, I guess. And yep. Yeah, alright, so now I'm pretty much done with the action. It should run fine. It should be good. Alright, so you probably didn't see what I did on the terminal just now, but simply what I did was I checked out the main, I pulled the changes and created a new tag, and then pushed it. So I was on my other branch, and now it's all good. Alright, what can we do next? Actually, I'm gonna check if I have anything else on my list. And why am I like... I'm sharing my face with y'all. There are a couple of other PRs, but I'm honestly feeling super tired. Not from the work that I just did, but overall today was very tiring, so I'm not sure if I should go ahead and do it. Just let me know if you have any ideas, actually. Or if you want me to do anything, if you want me to play a game or something, or like chill. Or if you have like any recommendations or something, ideas, I'm all in. But I honestly feel super tired. Release Please had just a new release. Cool. Marco is... I'm not sure if he is still watching, but he just pushed a new release, man. This guy is just amazing. Alright, he's still here. Guys, be careful. He's still here watching the stream. At the same time, working on Release Please. Cannot trust this guy. This guy's too sneaky. I'm not gonna build the package just now, or maybe we can actually. But let's do that. Alright, so let's build Release Please now that Marco is here. Let's see. So these are all my packages. So that command I just run just scanned all my packages, and Release Please is updated to 0391. 91. I'm just here for the music. I'm just gonna mute myself. Just for Marco, I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, just kidding. Let's go to Release Please, update the package variables. Let's see what has changed. Add support. Wait, support local dependencies. I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. Other stuff, improve dependencies to update thing, add comments to package update code. Oh man, my eyes hurt. Okay, sounds cool. Sounds great, Marco. Good work. I'm gonna update the comment as well because I used like a pinned comment there. I probably shouldn't. There should be a better way of handling this, but I guess anyways, I'm also gonna update the package sums. So these are the checksums. So in total, I make these updates in the package build. I'm gonna build the package. We're gonna watch Cargo build this thing, and after that, I'm pretty much done, man. I'm like, my eyes hurt. I'm super sleepy. I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. Oh my god. Great to see my package released in real time. Thanks. Well, you know, this is what we do. We're gonna add the backdoor and push it to the official repos at real time. You know how it is. You know, you gotta sometimes show it off a bit. You know, adding backdoor code and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm thinking of adding this backdoor, by the way. Can I add? Wait, gonna. Am I? Okay, where's my thingy? Hold on. Let's take a look at some backdoors. Let's pick one together. Where's Firefox? Come on, where's Firefox? It's really hard to navigate. No, not OBS. Come on, I just doxed myself. It happens. Some little accident there. Little accident. Okay, I cannot share Firefox, but I was thinking of some cool backdoors actually. Like I found some cool ones. When you run it, it's like, you know, it steals your credit cards and everything, like your whole life basically, and sends it over to me over IRC. So it was pretty cool. Hello, just joined. Are we talking about supply chain attacks? We were actually just about to add a backdoor to some package, and we were just about to have some fun. No, I was just kidding. I'm just building some Rust package, and I was just, you know, making some jokes about adding a backdoor because I'm gonna push it to the official repos very soon. For some reason, it takes forever to build though. Man, I have a very bad headache right now. You know, in the meantime, I want to show you something. Hold on. I'm gonna actually stand up, but wait. Give me a second. I'm gonna fetch it real quick. Which category? Corporate espionage. God damn it. Okay, we're back. Because it depends on cargo. Fucking cargo. Why are you so big? That's what she said. Okay, because it was very fun coincidence since I just watched a lecture on supply chain attacks. I'm right now in Germany, attending Reproducible Builds Summit, and reproducible builds is super important for basically avoiding those attacks, because you just have like a bit-to-bit reproducibility. So it's a coincidence for me as well. The summit is going great. I met some people from last year, and they're super cool. And I actually today I was not planning to present my project, but I gave a project update about Insider. It's cool as well. Literally just switch from online lecture on supply chain attacks to this. Well, this is a just think this stream as the continuation of that, like the part 2. So we're gonna like actually practically implement what you just learned. So we'll be the bad actors and do the supply chain attacks. So you'll be applying those things rather than, you know, learning about them. Anyways, reproducible builds was the term, right? Yeah, exactly. So reproducible builds are super important, like I said. So now the package is built. Let's smoke test it. Do you guys know what smoke test means? Anyone knows smoke testing? Come on, we're not gonna smoke weed. I just accidentally installed the debug package. Just reword that. Do you guys have any smoke? We're gonna smoke test it. Gonna run it like real quick, because I want to make sure that the backdoor works. So release, please. I don't know. Update. I should probably run it on some real repo. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna run it. I trust Marco. It should be running fine, right? So gonna just push it. Okay, let's see the changes, and I'm just gonna release this package now. Release package. Asking for my password. I gave him my password. Okay, releasing the package. Backdoor initiated, guys. Wait, this is not open. The aura just minus 3 million. That was such a funny moment. Okay, now the release please is released and the backdoor is initiated. Congrats, guys. But there's one thing that I want to do as well. Wait, actually I updated the Alpine package, so there's nothing else that I want to do today. All good. I'm gonna check my emails. All right, got 100 emails from different people reporting the backdoor. Cool. We're doing fine, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna dip. Is there anything that I should be doing? I don't know how many people are watching the stream. 9? What? Please explain the syntax of APK build. Okay, got it. We got a new side quest. We gotta do this. So I'm gonna check out the Alpine package for release, please. New side mission. Just cloning it. I'm gonna go to the file. You're seeing it. Yep. So this is APK build. This is pretty much the instructions for Alpine Linux for building some package, right? So the syntax is super simple. It's basically like a bash script. So each line is just interpreted as a bash script. So that's how it works. And if you know bash, it's like even easier to get used to. So package name is the package name, package version, the package version, and so on. And make depends. This is actually a string, but it's like it's interpreted as a array when you put it on like new lines, but it's actually string. So it's like probably split it by white space or new lines. So that's just that. And make depends are cargo auditable. Alpine uses this tool for embedding the dependency info into the binary. So they use this one, the cargo auditable. It's kind of hard to say the name of it, but they use that to embed that info. And some development libraries and sub packages are just the documentation package, which contains the readme and the shell completions. What's package there and get you around? Where's package there actually? Package there. Yeah, so package there is the actual location, like the actual path in the final package. So you gotta use this to basically say that, I will now copy things into the package. So when I do this line, install something to package their user bin, I want to install that something into the package. So that means that basically package name, and we use package name to say that we want to install that file, this file, and so on. These are specific commands for installing the shell completions. and the rest is pretty much that. And the, you know, prepare runs before everything, and check is for checking, you know, running tests. Build is for the build, and the package is basically packaging everything, and that's it. And yeah, that's how it works simply. Okay, guys. Any other questions? I'm gonna run this thing. Why not? Actually, we can do something fun together. I was checking out this Tweak game. I haven't. Actually, we can do this on another stream. Oh my god, I'm having so bad headache. Okay. On another stream, I'm gonna check this out. This game. It seems super fun. It might be a random stream, so just if you see like a random prefix on some stream, I'm basically playing this game, but it's super cool. If you want to check it out, you can run this command. And I don't know why I'm in release place directory, but anyways. So this is gonna be it from me today. I am like super tired. Tomorrow will be another event day, and I think I'm gonna go go to some places tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see. I want to share you guys with something that I've been doing for almost 2 months at this point, or maybe more than that, but yeah, 2.5 months. I've been actually addicted to something. This is the last thing that I'm gonna say. Marco, don't leave. But yeah, thank you for tuning in today. So this is what I've been doing for 2 months, 2.5 months, and I've been super addicted to it. No, not super addicted, but I'm kind of like, this became a habit, you know, and this is basically reading books, man. You know, I've been doing this, and it's kind of fun, and I kind of like it because it's like an escape, but not like a in a like a brain dead way, like in a brain dead way. So it's not like I'm escaping things by watching like reels and TikTok and so on, but I do it by just, you know, reading books. And I've been actually reading this classic tale, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. If you haven't read it, go check it out for sure. And yeah, I like these like fiction books a lot, or the classics. So it's fun. I don't like reading philosophy at this point yet. I just stick around with fiction and classics, and, you know, stuff that is written in old times, and, you know, basically that. So that's what I've been doing, and I wanted to share it with y'all. And yeah, I will maybe give some updates in streams like that or something, because I think it's fun. It's like a personal thing to share, and it makes it more like interesting, I guess. Thanks for the stream as always. I think they're really educational and get the practical look into open source development. For sure, man. I didn't do much in the stream. I had some like PRs ready for review, and I need to look into them. So I basically like dive into them, but I can do more on other streams. You know, this was pretty spontaneous, to be honest. I was not planning to make a stream because I'm like super tired already, and I just like opened up OBS and I saw that, you know, it looks good. This view is nice. You know, the room looks like I'm in some kind of like a Matrix situation. It almost looks unreal, but I swear it's real. And you know, I just want to stream and like do some basic work, but just stay tuned for more complicated stuff. I just don't have the setup right now, and I just want to do something random today. Reading books is a completely different league than TikTok and Reels. Yes, but unfortunately, I was actually watching a lot of Instagram Reels and so on before I sleep and so on. But I'm trying my best to replace that with reading books. Um, it's super fun, and I like to it's something that you can actually like collect as well. So you can build like your own library of books, which I think it's a nice thing to do. And I always liked reading, but I needed to take a break, or I like I took a break basically. I don't know why. I wasn't enjoying what I read, but then like a month ago, or like I said 2 months ago or something, I had this military service that I needed to complete, and during that time I read like 3 books. Although there was like not much time to read books, I like forced myself a bit, and got really hooked there. And after that, I kept reading like regularly. I like before I sleep, or if I want to like rest during the day a bit, I just read a bit. And also it's very good for, I think, for improving your speaking and like reading, like overall your language skills, because after some point you get used to seeing some phrases and words that are not normally used to. That makes sense. And it really helps while you are constructing like sentences in your brain, or like while you are understanding uh, a foreign language basically. So it really helps, because English is not my main language, and I guess it's same for many people. So yeah, I mean, it's really good for that. Also, I use a dictionary sometimes. I just look up the meanings of words and try to remember them later on. I take like screenshots of the dictionary app, and then during the day while I'm just browsing a gallery on my phone, I'll look at some of them, and I'm like, yeah, this was that and this was that. For example, in this book there is the second tale is about some like it has some like some it contains some phrases and words that are about like sea, like marine type stuff, and I didn't know any of those things before I read that. I start reading the tale, and I see the words, I know what they mean, but in the context of some sea stuff, they mean something completely different. So when I use a dictionary, I'm like, okay, this is interesting, because this is not usually what this thing means, but in this context it actually means that. So it's super interesting. So yeah, I don't know if there's a takeaway from that, but I guess it's, if you're just having fun with reading, and if you are looking for something to do, definitely try it out. I don't know. Reading books is overall good, man. I mean, come on, we all read documentation all the time. Why not take some time to read books? Okay. When you said C, my geek brain immediately told you C programming language. No, man. So, not that C. I was thinking about sea, like the water, like like animals and sails and ships. And does a Rust book count? Okay. Does a Rust book count? Is it fiction? Yes. Is it a classic? I guess yes. Does it contain anything that you don't know already? Pretty much. So yeah, counts. Go for it. If you have a print, like if you like a physical copy, that's even better. You can put it on your shelf. You can just put it on the wall. I don't know. You can even like at some point you just use its papers to roll a cigarette or something. You know, you gotta use it in every aspect at this point. It's Rust book, right? Understood that 1 second later, but first I thought you said C. Well, no, I don't like C that much. I like Holy C though. So yeah. The Borough Checker chapter even leans into psych horror. Yeah, for sure. It's next level, man. My eyes are. Oh my god, it looks so weird. I'm just gonna, you know what? Fuck books. I'm not gonna read a book tonight. I'm so tired. That was the biggest U-turn in history. I just praised books for like 15 minutes or for some time, then said fuck books and gave up. Guys, is there any last words? I'm gonna go. I'm just dying, dude. The hotel stream was great. We basically did nothing in the stream. Just uploaded PRs and shit. You know how it is. Yeah, good night, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Marco, Transistorek, James, Bemer, UBB. I don't know what's your name. Jakes. Who else? Vita, Jamuzdan. And if I missed your name, sorry. Goodwinkin Dadon. Thanks, guys. It's been great. It's time for me to go. And yeah. I hope to see you tomorrow. No, later. I don't know. I'm gonna do it like spontaneous, so I don't know when. But love you guys, and always, you know, as always, is take care, stay safe, and I don't know. We don't have a slogan, but take care, guys. I love you all, and I gotta go. Okay. Whatever. Stay rusty. God damn, that was so cringe. Okay, bye.